लिमिट होगी वो 25,000 करोड़ होगी।
Again, one more thing which I'd like to draw your attention before I go to today's announcements. Liquidity support for farmers and for the rural economy has been happening in the last 2 months. I'm referring only to those things which have happened in March, April, which is the COVID duration, the time when COVID hit us and hit us so badly, resulting in a lockdown. But even then, activities through the banks have been happening. I want to just draw your attention that 63 lakh loans of 86,600 crores have been approved in agriculture area between 1st March and 30th of April. Again, refinancing of nearly 29,500 crores has been provided by the NABARD to all the cooperative banks and the regional rural banks so that they can have onward lending done. And this has happened just in March. Just only in March, NABARD has refinanced 29,500 crores through the rural cooperative banks and the regional rural banks. Then again, you know, rural infrastructure, also through a fund which is operated by the NABARD, is the RIDF, which is the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. Through this, only again in March 2020, a support of 4,200 crores has been provided for rural infrastructure. So rural areas and their infrastructure work is also being provided for in March alone to the extent of 4,200 crores, and that's happened during the COVID period. And finally, state governments do also get working capital assistance, and to the extent of 6,700 crores have been sanctioned for them to procure agricultural produce, which means they can take things from the farmer, they can provide things to the farmer, and when they procure agricultural produce, that money goes into the hands of the farmers themselves. And what is the amount there? 6,700 crore as working capital was sanctioned for state agencies to do the agricultural produce procurement. That again is money going into the hands of the people in the ground, particularly in the rural areas. I'll go over to the urban poor, but before that in Hindi.
कृषि के क्षेत्र में, क्योंकि आपको पता है पिछला सीज़न भी 2 महीने देश के लिए भी और देश के कृषि की अर्थव्यवस्था के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण था, तो उसके लिए पिछले मार्च और अप्रैल महीने में 63 लाख ऋण मंजूर किए गए, जिसकी लगभग जो अमाउंट है वो 86,600 करोड़ रुपया है, और इससे बल कृषि क्षेत्र को मिला है। विशेष तौर पर किसान के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। गांव में कोऑपरेटिव बैंक, रीजनल रूरल बैंक इनकी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रहती है, और कोऑपरेटिव बैंक और रीजनल रूरल बैंक को मार्च 2020 में नाबार्ड ने 29,500 करोड़ रुपया के रीफाइनेंस का प्रावधान किया है। ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में आधारभूत ढांचे के विकास के लिए 4200 करोड़ रुपए का सहयोग रूरल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट फंड के माध्यम से राज्यों को ये मार्च में राशि उपलब्ध करवाई गई। इसके अलावा जो फसल की खरीद, कृषि उत्पाद की खरीद के लिए 6700 करोड़ रुपए की वर्किंग कैपिटल भी, कार्यशील पूंजी भी राज्यों को उपलब्ध करवाई गई है।